Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins guys, ang Tin Agorot coins ng Israel. Mayroong taon na 1978. So i-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang history dito guys at saka value sa baryang ito guys ng Israel dahil mataas din ang kanyang value dito sa ating siling online sa eBay. Tapusin natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Israel. The Tin Agorot coins from Israel dated 1978, Hebrew year 5738, holds both historical significance and collectible value. Historical context and designs. Obverse or front features a date palm tree symbolizing the land's fertility and prosperity. The inscription Israel appear in Hebrew and Arabic. This design draws inspiration from coins issued during the Bar Kokhba revolt 132 to 135 CE. The reverse or VAC displays the denomination Tin Agorot in the Hebrew, accompanied by the minting year in Hebrew's numerals. The compositions, initially these coins were made of an alloy containing 92% copper, 6% aluminum, and 2% of nickel. However, in the 1978, the composition shifted to 97% of aluminum and 3% of manganese of magnesium, the resulting in a lighter coin weighing of 1.61 grams with a diameter of 21.5 mm. Demonetization. The coin ceased to be a legal tender on March 31, 1984. Mintage of this collectible value coins in 1978, two versions of the Tin Agorot coins were produced. Met finis of Jerusalem, approximately 24,050,000 coins were minted. Pro finis coins, Royal Canadian Mint of Winnipeg, approximately 104,335,750 coins were produced. Given the substantial mintage numbers, the 1978 Tin Agorot coin is relatively common among collectors. Its value is modest, typically ranging from a few cents to a couple of dollars, depending on its condition and specific market demand. For instance, a lot of 25 uncirculated 1978 Tin Agorot coins was listed on eBay, indicating availability in the bulk for collectors. It's important to note that this actual value can vary based on the factors such as the coin's conditions or graded, rarity, and prevailing the market interest. For the most accurate and current valuation, consulting a reputable coin dealer or the numismatic expert is recommended. So guys, napakamura lang pala ng ating Tin Agorot ng Israel guys. Couple of dollars lang pala guys. So maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.